When Hayat Tahrir al-Sham took over Aleppo in a surprise attack at the end of last November, they entered the city with fighters from the Turkestan Islamic Party, who released these promotional videos showing dozens of heavily armed fighters. Over the past decade, many fighters from the Turkestan Islamic Party, who come from the Muslim Uyghur minority in China, have joined Hayat Tahrir al-Sham, while a minority have joined ISIS. It is believed that the leader of Hayat Tahrir al-Sham, Ahmad Shar'a, is impressed with this group after its members proved to be indispensable on the battlefield in Syria. After the takeover of Damascus, Shar'a granted 3 of the group's leaders and members high ranks in the Syrian army, which he is trying to rebuild, and announced his intention to grant them Syrian citizenship. The group was founded in Afghanistan, where its top leadership still resides today, and many of its members were active within the Taliban. By 2012, many of its fighters had moved to Syria with their families, many of whom fled persecution in China. However, the group was not officially established until 2015. Its official and declared goal is the separation of the region inhabited by the majority of Uyghurs from China. Many researchers believe that the fighters of the group are not interested in global jihad and do not pose a real threat to the West. It is unlikely that the new rulers of Damascus will allow them to use Syria as a launching point for operations abroad. Even Shar'a himself clarified, "I sympathize with them, but their struggle against China is not our struggle."